Good morning, I'm Uliana. If you are new here, welcome to 10-minute gentle morning yoga stretch. We will begin in tabletop position, so come to your hands and knees. Spread your fingers wide. Position your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Take a big inhale through the nose. With exhale, press the floor away, round the back, widen the shoulder blades. Inhale, drop the belly, arch the back, look up. Exhale, round as much as you can, stretching the back. Keep moving with your breath, warming up the spine here with gentle cat and cow stretch. With your next inhale, come back to a neutral spine and start making circles with your torso. Very intuitively, just notice where you feel the stretch as you move. Keep breathing in and out through the nose. And then switch direction, move to the other side. You can stop in some places if you feel the stretch, spend a little longer there. Now bring your spine back to neutral, sit back on your heels. Roll your shoulders up and back, interlace the fingers behind your back. With inhale, lift your chest a little higher and pull your hands away from your sit bones, creating a big stretch on the front of the shoulders and chest. Big breath into the chest, deepening that stretch. And slowly release your hands. Place them in front of you, lower the forehead down for child's pose. Move your hands a little further forward so that the elbows lift off the mat. You can even place your fingertips down. This way you will feel a deeper stretch under your armpits, maybe also on your shoulders and chest. Then move your fingers to the left until you feel the stretch on the right side of the body. Breathe here. Walk your fingers back to center and then over to the right to stretch the other side. Walk your hands back to center. Come up to tabletop position. Move your left foot out to the side. Place your right foot on the mat in line with the left knee. Reach your right arm up and over for side stretch on the right side. You can rotate your wrist a couple of times as you breathe here. Last time, deep inhale. Exhale back to tabletop. Same on the other side. Move the right foot out, place the left foot on the mat. Inhale to reach your left arm up and over. Enjoy the side stretch or rotate your wrist a couple of times. One more big inhale here. Exhale back to tabletop position. And lower down to your belly for Sphinx pose. Place your forearms parallel to each other, fingers spread wide, elbows under your shoulders. Inhale, pull your chest forward between your upper arms. With exhale, press through the forearms and round your spine, dropping chin down to the chest. Inhale to lift the chest forward. Exhale, round the upper back, like we did in cat and cow. Inhale to lift and arch the back. Exhale to round. Last time, pull your chest forward as you inhale. Round as you exhale. And then with inhale, come to a static Sphinx pose. Try to bring your shoulder blades closer together. Release your shoulders away from the ears. Breathe here. Slowly release your forehead down. Press down through your hands and come up to your hands and knees. Round your spine for cat pose, just to counterbalance the back bend that we just did. And then tuck your toes in, lift your hips up, and then walk your hands back towards your feet. Place your feet a little bit wider with toes pointing slightly out. Hands can stay on the mat or on two blocks. With inhale, start bending your knees, sitting into squat as deep as you can with heels staying on the mat. Exhale to straighten your legs for forward fold. Inhale, bend and sit into squat. Exhale, straighten the legs. A few dynamic movements before we settle into squat. And this time sit as deep into the squat as you can. You can sit on the blocks as well. Place your hands together in front of your chest. Try to open your knees wider with your elbows. A few more breaths. And slowly release the pose. Come to seated cross-legged position. Place your left hand on your right knee, right hand behind. With inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to the right. Last time, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist a little more. Come back to center with inhale and switch side. Right hand on the left knee. Lengthen as you inhale. Twist with exhale. One last time, inhale here. Exhale. Inhale back to center. Place your hands together in front of your chest. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a moment to express gratitude to yourself for these 10 minutes you spent on the mat. Bow your head forward to your hands. And then lift your head and open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me. Wish you a nice day and see you next time. Bye!